Our Analyze feature helps you instantly understand how strong your current packaging really is and how to make it better. There are two ways to use it. First, through Pixels generations. Thumbnails generated on Pixels automatically get analyzed and assigned a Pixels score. Whether you're generating from a prompt, recreate or edit, every single result is instantly rated and broken down. And second is by using your existing packaging. You can upload or link any existing thumbnail and title to analyze it directly. Once analyzed, Pixels gives you a data back report based on the 5 pillars of packaging to determine whether people will click or scroll past your video. Virality, clarity, idea, curiosity, and emotion. Each one breaks down in detail what's working and what isn't, so you know exactly where to improve. And if your thumbnail receives a score under 80, just use our one-click fix. It will fix the packaging for you. Within seconds, you'll have a version that's stronger, clearer, and significantly more clickable. And of course, if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to open a support ticket. We are always happy to help.